Good morning. Here it is, as promised, the 1985 El Camino Super Sport. We'll do a quick walk around. You can see you don't loan your vehicle to friends or family. Okay, and here we got the 2-inch cowl induction hood that was test fitted. I still got to adjust it a little bit here, but as you can see, it's in need of a lot of love, and that's what we're going to give it. Well, here we are, 2.5 hours later, but the panel is in. It is permanently welded in. Got some grinding done. My joint up here, it warped a little bit, more than I would have liked it to. So I'm probably going to heat it and quench it so I can pop it back out and it works, or it stays rather. So, but as you can see, body lines are perfect where they need to be.